Ryan here with Prudential Pest Solutions, and in this video, I'm going to show you 2 quick, easy things to do to rodent-proof your garage. Let's take a look. So 2 of the easiest things to do to keep rodents, rats, mice out of your garage is to address the weather seal, which are on the sides, and the bottom garage door seal. And oftentimes these are just made of rubber, and the mice just chew right through it. So what we do is we replace the rubber seal at the bottom of the garage door, and we affix a metal capping along either side of the side weather seals. So as you can see here, the new garage door seal's on there, and you're thinking, Ryan, that looks exactly the same as a brand new one from the hardware store. Well, let's shine a light on here and look what's inside of this or underneath this garage door seal to see what makes a difference. So in this case, we're using excluder, which is a woven metal mesh fabric that's built inside of that garage door seal. So what happens is number one, it's a garage door seal. It has the rubber on there on the outside to keep dirt and pests and all that sort of stuff out, but rodents can chew. So when they start chewing through that rubber, they hit that metal fabric in there, and guess what? They're not getting in anymore. So you can see we just replaced that whole garage door seal, and it was all chewed up from the mice before, and we installed this that the mice can't get through. Now, what about those side weather seals? Well, you can just replace them, and they're relatively inexpensive at the hardware store, but it stands to reason that if mice have chewed through there before, they can chew through there again. So what we install is over the first 6 to 8 inches from the floor up, we install a metal cap right over top of that. So now it has a metal woven fabric on the inside of the garage seal and metal strips on the outside. Guess who's not getting in? Rodents aren't getting in. So if you have a rodent issue, mice, rats, or what have you, and they're getting in through the garage, call Prudential Pest Solutions at 484-401-4361. Not only can we treat the mice, but we can provide long-term solutions to keep them out.